Hi, this is Fuse HVAC. We're here for line set repair. Somebody a couple months ago just cut refrigerant pipes and install it, and we're gonna try to repair. Let's start.
Yeah, we're gonna show you all steps what should we provide. It's somebody just stolen a lot of copper pipes from between wall and condenser unit, like this one. This unit doesn't have its line set, this have it, this doesn't have line set, and today we will show you how you should put new line set between wall and condenser unit.
So our AC system, it's two units. Indoor unit, it's evaporator coil, and outdoor unit condenser with compressor. This system supposed to be absolutely sealed. It's no way to free on, go out, or some water, moisture, air come inside to the system, to the pipes. So right now somebody cut the lines and our pipes is open. It's air and water and moisture can go inside to the system and may damage our compressor and the oil inside the system. So we will try to fix it, put nitrogen to check the system is sealed and no leaks and no pressure drops. Also we're gonna do vacuum the system with vacuum pump to pull out all air, moisture and water if the system have. We're gonna put refrigerant to the system back, start the system, check all pressures and temperatures, superheat, subcooling, if everything is okay.
Okay, we're already done for the soldering. Works. This is right now, it looks brand new.